Hi guys, welcome back for your week 20 PE instruction. So this week you guys, my sixth graders, are going to be working on skill related fitness components. So for the next 3 weeks, you are going to be, actually it's going to be longer than 3 weeks, but at least 3 weeks, right? And you're going to have your own section here on the board. So first of all, when we go to the grade level standards, for sixth grade, you're going to be learning to list the components of skill related fitness. So that's the standard that we're going to be covering this week. So over here, you've got your warm up. Your warm up is going to be a Martin Luther King trivia activity. So test your Martin Luther King Jr. knowledge with this or that game. And with this or that, it's like, would you rather? So it's going to test your knowledge on what you know about Martin Luther King, since we had a day off yesterday in honor of him. So you're going to do this as your warm-up activity and test your knowledge. Hopefully you know more than you think you do, or if you didn't know, you'll learn something new about Martin Luther King. So you're going to have that for your warm-up. Then you are going to go through, right, this unit. Let me go back for a second here. So these are exactly what we're going to be working on in the classroom. You're going to be doing the same thing. So these two go together. So when you click on the link, you're going to see that I pretty much included my lesson plan, exactly what I'm doing. So these are one link, the same link. They are not two different links, but in the link, you're going to learn what skill-related fitness is. And we're also going to be covering, for the first time, pickleball. So I will talk to the kids about, see how many people have played pickleball before. Maybe you've played before. I have never played before, so this is going to be a learning process for me too. So I'm going to be learning with you. So going back to when you click on that link, this pops up. So this is what I'm doing in the classroom, the same thing you're going to go through and do. So we talked about our standard list of components of skill-related fitness. Then we're going to discuss what does each skill-related fitness component mean and examples using. And so they're going to click on this video link that is going to explain to them the skill related fitness components, what they are, what they mean. And so you're going to do the same thing. And then after the video, I do have a chart in the classroom that talks about the skill related fitness components. So I will spend a few minutes, a little bit more time going over that. And then they're going to do this skill related fitness quiz. You're going to do the same. So it's like this or that, but it's a quiz on which skill component is being shown below. And you will pick, and then you'll do the exercise. So it's a quiz. You can kind of look to see how you did, how you understand those skill fitness components. Then after that, I'm gonna survey the class to see who's played pickleball, what they know about pickleball. We're then going to watch this video that talks about the history of pickleball, how it came to be. So we'll talk about that. So they'll watch that to learn about kind of like what pickleball is or the history of pickleball. Then you're going to watch this video that's going to talk about how you play pickleball. And then I'm going to have some paddles. And I'm going to pass a paddle out to each student, and they're just going to kind of practice along with the videos on how to grip your paddle. So I'm sure unless you guys play, you probably don't have a pickle ball paddle. So use any type of paddle. Just try to grip it the best that you can. It's a lot like tennis and badminton. So any of that will work. So try to find something along that line. They're going to talk about the underhand serve. So then we're going to do some practice with these skills with no ball, but just inside the classroom with some space, just getting comfortable with the paddle and how our arms should move and how to grip correctly, and just kind of understanding how it all works. For the skill-related fitness components, here are some meanings, right? If you wanted to go back and refer to those, right? Or maybe when you're even doing that skill-related test, quiz, this or that, you might want to refer back to that. So that is what we're working on this week. So we're really talking about skill-related fitness and learning about pickleball. And also we're going to talk about how does the skill-related fitness components that you learned about today, how do those tie into pickleball? Which ones tie into pickleball? So that's something else for you to think about. All right. All right. Well, I look forward to seeing you next week with some more skill-related fitness components and some pickleball activities. All right. Have a great rest of the week, and I will see you next week. Bye.